Now let's see the next 4-mark question of model question paper 1. The 29th question. ಯಾವುದು 29th question ಅಂದರೆ write a note on the contribution of Arivoli Iyakam in motivating women to learn cycling. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ನೋಡೋಣವಾ. In Where There Is a Wheel, P. Sainath describes how a literacy movement triggered a social revolution in Pudukottai. So the keywords here are, ನೋಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಪಿ ಸಾಯಿನಾಥ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಪುದುಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, in Where There Is a Wheel, P. Sainath describes how a literacy movement triggered a social revolution in Pudukottai. Arivoli Iyakam, that is, Light of Knowledge movement, played a crucial role by giving cycling social sanction. It integrated cycling into its literacy drive, viewing it as a symbol of freedom, mobility, and independence. The movement organized cycling training camps for women. Leaders and pioneers like N. Kannammal pushed the idea, and the movement's male activists like Muthu Bhaskaran even composed cycling songs to encourage the rural women. By linking cycling with female literacy, Arivoli Iyakam helped women break the shackles of patriarchy, reduce their dependence on men for transport, and gain new sense of self-respect. And don't forget to underline these keywords. And for more videos, do subscribe the channel. You can share your comments. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀನು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಉತ್ತರ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.